I feel like more people should be talking about this, but did you know that Adobe Premiere Pro has over 11,000 free sound effects now? You already knew you could get music in the Essential Sound panel, right? Well, now you can click the SFX button and you have access to search for whatever sound effect you want. You can click Timeline Sync to even temp it into your timeline before dragging the file over. This is so simple and easy, and it's a free resource if you have Adobe Premiere Pro. I also created another free resource, a 3-hour workshop of how to use Premiere Pro from beginning to end, and it's now on the Adobe Video YouTube channel. Go watch it!